Morning, guys, and welcome back to English. I hope that you are all well and healthy. So, first of all, I understand that this is a difficult time for everybody, and that especially I will need your patience. You are now all experts at using Teams, and I'm completely new, okay? Secondly, because we haven't done a test since January, it is test time again. So please remember, the reason that we do this is to help you measure your progress and to help you understand exactly which parts of the test you need to work on to be able to improve your overall exam score. Remember, we're doing this for you, not for me. My English is fine. Also, I will trust you 100% not to use the computer or cheat during the exam simulations. Remember, this is for you to understand where you need more practice, not just for your grades at the end of the year. Okay? To measure progress, we need to know the truth. Thirdly, I want to tell you about the plan for the next 3 lessons. So, as you know, from now on, we are doing lessons of 1 hour and 30 minutes on either from 2:30 till 4 o'clock or from 4 o'clock to 5:30 twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday. You have arranged the times exactly with Professor Esakupri. If there is a problem with the times, please speak to myself or better still, Prof. Kupri, and she will try to change them. I am flexible and I will not block anybody who has a problem with time. However, I imagine that at the moment everybody has a lot of time, and I will ask you to fill that time watching films and TV series in English, not Italian. Okay, so what's happening in the next 3 lessons? Today, we're going to start with the reading and use of English, parts 1 to 7. The exam test is 1 hour and 15 minutes. That means that we will only have time to say hello, for you to watch this video, and for you to do the exam. Okay? The exam conditions are exactly the same as a real exam. So, no speaking, do not go to the bathroom, you can drink water, you cannot use the internet, you cannot text your friends on WhatsApp, and probably tell your parents before you start so that they don't disturb you. Okay? You can stop only for an emergency. Okay? I hope you understand what an emergency is. On Thursday this week, we will do the writing element of the exam, parts 1 and 2. These 2 parts of the exam take 1 hour and 20 minutes. You will need to type the writing task on your computer and email it to me. I will provide you an email address, and you will receive feedback and a mark for your writing. I will need to receive those emails immediately on Thursday after the lesson so that I can mark your test over the weekend, and then on Tuesday next week we will do the listening parts, all parts of the listening, which takes approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and then with the rest of the lesson on Tuesday, we will look at the overall test together. Okay, so together we will mark parts 1 to 7 with a lot of trust, and you will receive your overall grade for your writing, and we will look together at whether or not you would pass the real exam at this stage. You will receive a summary of which parts of the exam you need to work on to improve your grade. That is why we mark the test together. It's really to help you understand where the problems lie. Okay, now the other problem is the speaking. Very, very difficult in the times of coronavirus. Some people have problems with the connection, some people have problems with the camera, some people have problems with the audio. In order to ensure the best possible speaking quality for the exam, I will organise mini chat teams of 2 to 3 students so that you can prepare for the exam speaking in pairs, just like a normal lesson, okay? And what will happen is you will work together in your mini groups and I will enter and exit the chat just as if I'm walking around the classroom and listening to you speaking in pairs and speaking together with you, okay? Now, this is a bit difficult to manage, and remember, I can't be in every pair all of the time. So, we're fortunate because our groups are very small, so you will have more of my attention in that speaking time, okay? Finally, if anybody has any particular problems with computers or communication or audio or the time of the lesson, please let myself or Professor Esakupri know as soon as possible. If we don't know your problem, we can't help you with it. We still have the WhatsApp group for any students experiencing particular difficulties, especially with the software. So please, if you're having problems during the lesson, please tell me on the WhatsApp group if you cannot connect on Teams. That way I will try to be sure that you receive the information even if there's a serious problem. Okay? So guys, here we are, the challenge. First certificate in the time of coronavirus using new software that we've never used before. The first part of the exam. We can do it! Very good.